What is up, everybody? Today we are back with another 5-ingredient recipe using one of the new Primal Kitchen pasta sauces. And today we're going to be making a Mediterranean veggie pasta. And if you didn't notice already, I am joined by a co-host, this beautiful teal Cuisinart stand mixer with this spiralizer attachment. I'm going to be using the spiralizer to make my veggie noodles. I'm going to be using yellow squash, but you don't necessarily need a big fancy mixer like this. You can find a veggie spiralizer on Amazon for like under 30 bucks. And to get started, I'm just going to turn this on. I'm going to set it to pretty slow. I think it's at 2. And I've got my yellow squash. I cut off the ends just so it's easy to poke with this thing. You put this on here, and then you use this thing to jam it in there. And it is as easy as that. And there you go. I've got a plate of beautiful yellow squash pasta, and I'm going to rearrange my setup and we're gonna start cooking these up. So as you can see, I've swapped out the Cuisinart mixer for the workhorse countertop burner that appears in pretty much every video on this channel. And we're just going to turn it to medium-high heat. We're gonna take our veggie noodles and we're gonna add those to the pan. And we're just gonna start cooking these up, stirring them around, trying to start cooking out some of the excess water. Next, we're going to take our No-Dairy Vodka Sauce. I use about 2/3 of a cup. We're going to mix that around. Continue to let it cook. Again, just letting some of that excess water steam out of the veggies. Next, for some Mediterranean flavor, we're going to add some black olives. Add those in, stir it around. Then some marinated artichokes, same deal, toss them in, mix them around. And then finally, some fresh basil leaves. Same deal, throw it in there, cook it until all the excess water has evaporated, and that is it. Super easy, super simple. I was able to throw this all together in probably under 15 minutes. You know, just use one pan. And if you want to pick up some No-Dairy Vodka Sauce for yourself, you can head on over to primalkitchen.com, use the code HELLO20, and you'll get yourself 20% off. Thanks for watching.